Next! How many bananas were there? 5. Final answer ha? Di kong consider laing numbers. 4.
3?
Final answer.
4.
Wrong answer. Okay, so our content for today's memory test part 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Kana sa diyan si mong
Bye.
pinakubusara.
4, 3, 2, 1. First question, Jay. What animal was in the picture?
Cat.
Correct.
Ambassador.
Next question. Pinabalikon. How many leaves are there on the flower?
Patay.
5. Pila ka book leaves?
3.
Correct.
Salamat. Kanay.
Oh, wala.
Layo lang yaw.
Starting from the upper right, what was the fifth item? Unsay ikalimang nga item?
Hello.
5.
I have no memory.
4.
Katong headset.
Correct or headphone correct. Next, what is the color? Isa ra ka question akong answer akong i-consider. What is the color of the flower pot? 5.
Flower pot.
4.
Kuan. Brown.
Final answer.
Brown.
Wrong next player please. Wrong
Baka
next
sabihin nyo eh.
player.
Amo na lang ba yung
What was the color of the flower pot?
flower pot?
5.
Yellow.
Wrong next player please.
Why?
Okay. Oh, what's the color of the flower pot?
Blue.
Correct. Blue. Tiniltil. Next. How many bananas were there? 5. Final answer ha? Di kong consider laing numbers. 4.
3?
Final answer.
4.
Wrong answer. Fidel. 5. 4. Pila ka book? Saging. 5.
Talo.
Correct.
3.
Correct. Inyong parang ganun. Next.
Okay kay minita na
What was the color of the first book? Or katong libro nga sa babaw sa color ato? Final answer. 5.
Blue.
Wrong next pair. please.
Blue ato ya.
Oh, wrong next pair.
Asa na ba?
Oh, next pair.
Green.
Correct. Green.
Ito naman. Pansit, wag mo katapos.
What was the color of the shirt or the t-shirt? Ano sa color sa t-shirt? 5.
4.
White.
Correct. Next picture. 5 seconds na niya.
Ika na, be.
5 seconds lang.
Sinas mo yan.
5,
Lala.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yap.
Alin niya?
Ito nga, Raya. Ang tanaw niya.
Tanan lagi. Tanan lagi sa picture ang inyong tanawon. What fruit was on the picture? 5.
Oh, orange.
Final answer.
Orange.
Correct.
Yeah!
Next. What sport does the ball on the picture belong to? Di ba na bula? Oo. Sa masyang sport na belong? 5. 4. 3.
Ako. 1.
2.
Lawn tennis.
Wrong next pair please.
Basket ya.
Next pair please. Oh, sige katong bulatan. Kung sa matong nga sport ang bulatan. Ha? Wrong next pair please.
Oo, kita sa igmo. Ay, siguro.
Kung sa matong nga bula. Kung sa matong nga sport ang katong nga bula. 5. 4. 3. 2.
Ping pong ball.
Wrong next pair please. Next pair please.
Rugby. Rugby ball.
Correct. Correct sir. Next. Next pair. What shape was colored blue on the picture? Kung sa matong nga shape ang color kay blue. 5.
Kung kurama
4.
sa andalala.
3.
Triangle.
Ha? Final answer.
Triangle.
Wrong next pair please. Next pair.
I want
What shape was colored blue on the picture? 5,
Daghan mo to ya.
4,
Ay, kibaw ko.
3,
Right angle.
next
Right
pair please.
angle.
Di mo to shape ang isa.
Ay, okay.
5.
Circle.
Circle.
Yes. Circle.
Next picture. 5 seconds ha. 5 seconds starts now.
5, 4, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sige, next. Starting from the upper right na sada. What picture or what food was on the sixth picture? Kung saan to nga picture ang ika-sixth na pagkaon?
Ipakita ko nung balik yun.
Ah. Mga pagkaon man to, di ba?
Saan ka magsibaw? Upat sa igbaw
Oh,
yan.
remember this one. 5, 4,
Wala, pizza yan, pizza.
pizza, and answers. Wrong next year, please. Sige, 5. Unsa mga makaon ang ikaunom? 5. Gikan sa upper right ha. 5, 4, 3, 2, Dili upper left. Sorry, upper left na guys, sorry. Upper left. Unsa nga pagkaon ang gikan sa upper left? Katong din niya na. Padung paana. Paana.
Yan, mabalik sa kuya.
Sige.
Ako? Cupcake.
Wrong next year, please.
Wrong!
Upper left na, upper left. Sige.
Donut!
Ha?
Donut!
Ano answer?
Donut!
Oh, wrong next year, please. Sige.
Pizza.
Wrong next year, please.
Patay!
Popcorn.
Wrong next year.
Bursita.
Next year.
Snacks.
Wrong.
Cereals.
Sige sila sa ikaw, diba no? Sige, unsa nga item, unsa nga pagkaon ng ika number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Ayaw. Katong nasa bulsita.
1.
Popcorn. Burger.
Wrong. Ice cream.
Ice cream, yeah?
Sige, next question. How many donuts were there?
Usa!
Correct.
Oh, di ba? Ayun na rin kita
Next question.
Ay! Apoy na ba ano ay?
Was there a cookie on the picture? Nay cookie sa picture? Wala. Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct.
Ano ba na yun? Ay!
Sunod.
Wait, 12 falls ka iya. Kamu ka bro. Pila ka bukbo sa runat. Pila ka bukbo.
Ano kit? What word was written on the box?
Dati ay?
Oh, unsa may? Edi katong pinakauna, unsa may naka?
Snacks?
Correct. Next question, how many slices of pizza were there?
1.
Correct. That's it, pansit daw.
Ay!
Parang part ko rin.
This is